Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing your energies on the professional as well as the personal front. Okay, so let's see what's going on for Leos. So for you we have the Six of Cups. Okay, on your professional front we have the Eight of Pentacles. The best course of action, advice or guidance is the Page of Swords on the professional front. On the personal front, what's going on the personal front of Leos? The Star. Okay, the best course of action or any advice or a message, guidance is the Hermit. Okay, two major cards there. So on your personal front, this is you with the Six of Cups. You are very happy, you are enjoying your happy times. Perhaps something, maybe you're connecting with your old friends, maybe your soulmates, your old friends, maybe back to family, maybe reconciling with someone. So you are in a very happy place, you're enjoying your life, and you are very content, I should say. Maybe meeting with your old friends, maybe meeting with your childhood friends, maybe meeting with your family. So you're having a happy time basically. So you are in a very good energy, I should say. So for the Six of Cups we have, sorry, pulled out the second card. So let's see oh, what is there for the Six of Cups. Why is the Six of Cups here for? So for the Six of Cups we have the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Empress. So you are communicating with someone. As I said, you are meeting people from the past, and maybe you're meeting them after a long time. You are there is a lot of passionate communication, there is a lot of passion, and there is a new beginning here. So maybe you are meeting someone after a long time. That's what I feel. Maybe you have gone home after a long time, can be that. So whatever it is, you are enjoying, you're having a happy time. It is like a new beginning over there. It's something you are feeling abundant about, blossoming, and it's a lot of abundance and things shaping up, sort of maybe planning something new. Okay, this is how we should go about, this is something we should do together, can be something like that. So there is some sort of, it can be a reconciliation also, sort of, it can be a reconciliation with somebody from the past, and there is a lot of communication, a lot of happy energy, a lot of partying, lot of passion being shared, and there is a new beginning in this connection. Maybe both of you are planning to do something, can be that, towards something new. And on your work front we have the Eight of Pentacles. So you're working hard on something, you're really working hard on something, building up your finances on the work front. So definitely working hard for something on the work front professionally. Let's see what is this Eight of Pentacles about. So for the Eight of Pentacles, we have the Tower, the Two of Pentacles, and the Justice. Something has really happened here, Leos. Something unexpected has happened. Or an unexpected decision has been taken somehow. That's what I feel. Unexpected decision has been taken, which was perhaps pending since a long time. Perhaps maybe you have taken a decision. Maybe something has happened which made you take a decision. Maybe some sort of clarity happened because of some situation, and then then you have taken a decision. But something which was indecisive has sorted out and come to a decision and balanced. So there was something which you were being indecisive about. Maybe you were working hard to achieve this decision and stability only. Okay, so there was something on this, in this area in your life professionally, which was sort of lingering or hanging on since a long time. A decision was pending, I should say, and something has happened in the light of which this decision has come actually. So maybe what this Tower has given some clarity to this indecisiveness, and then this decision has been made. That's what I'm trying to say. Not necessarily this is a bad tower. It can be that since you really wanted to, you were working hard to take a decision and you couldn't, or you weren't able to do that since a long time. So this, something has happened, some maybe some clarity has come because of some event which has happened, and in the light of this tower, what this shake-up, this realization, whatever it was, this indecisiveness has come to a still and a decision has been made. So what I feel, it seems to be something good, because you were really working hard to take this decision, and now you are able to do that because now you have the clarity to take the decision. Okay, even if maybe even if whatever has happened was not pleasant, but at least ultimately it may have been something which you didn't like, but ultimately it has at least been the path to make a decision. It has been able to give you a clarity so that you could come to a decision over here. The best course of action is the Page of Swords. So this is something, you are out of this tower energy, out of here you are, this is the clarity you have towards a new beginning, basically. So best course of action is, it's to me what it's like, as if somebody is in the dark, as if somebody is sitting in a dark room, and now, okay, now the cloud is clear, the sky is clear, and this is how I can move about. It's looking something like that with the Page of Swords. So you have the clarity to move ahead. That is the best course of action. So for the Page of Swords, we have the Four of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the World. So definitely you have the clarity to move towards a new beginning. Now, since whatever this indecision was, it has been sorted out. You know which way to go, and you are feeling, you are moving towards something which is stable, which is emotionally fulfilling. You are moving towards something which you feel is going to give you a lot of prosperity, a lot of happiness, a lot of victory. Okay, and you know that you are emotional about it. You know what you are doing is right now. You know on the right path, and that is what you are doing. You are opening a new beginning for yourself here with the World card. As far as your personal aspect is concerned, the personal life is the Star. So everything seems to be good, and here also everything seems to be good. Something has happened on the professional front, definitely though, but still on the personal front, everything seems to be good with the Star being there. Wishes coming true. You are feeling very happy. It's like you are getting whatever you always wanted. You're feeling good about yourself. Let's see what is this Star here for. So for the Star, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. So this is something you've been waiting for since a long time. So there has been something which you always wished to happen. With Seven of Pentacles, there has been a lot of time that you have spent or invested in this situation. On the personal front, you were waiting since a long time for this to happen, this to come to fruition, to have a new beginning. And here with the Ace of Pentacles, you are actually having a new beginning in a situation in your life which was always your dream come true. You always wished this to happen. You were waiting and waiting and waiting. You have really invested in this situation in your life, and you do have a new beginning here. The best course of action here is the Hermit. Go within, listen to your inner voice. Just we'll see what this Hermit is about. But what I feel here is that though things are fine, everything is fine, there is something you still need to look into. Maybe there is something deep which has to be sorted out, or which has to be looked into. Let's see what is this Hermit talking about. So for the Hermit, we have the King of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Five of Wands. So definitely there is something which needs to be sorted out here. Okay, so maybe yes, there is a new beginning. You've been waiting for this new beginning, but here the best course of action on the personal front is the Hermit. So definitely there is some sort of, there has been some conflict or heartbreak, something agonizing has happened over here which has disturbed you emotionally. Okay, and this has to be sorted out. With the King of Pentacles, you need to restore this balance. Okay, and with the Hermit, you need to find the solution within you. You need to sort it out. You need to come back to power. Okay, this is something which has caused the heartache also. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. Maybe this is the realization which has come, perhaps. I don't know. Maybe it is in some way linked to this tower also, this Three of Swords. I don't know. Can be linked. Not necessarily, because that is professional and personal, but sometimes both of them affect each other. But yes, there is something conflicting over here, some sort of fight or an argument, indecisiveness, or maybe the conflict within your own head. But something has really happened over here which has to be sorted out. And what you need to do here is you need to look for the answers within. Do some introspection and just sort it out. Any other guidance, message, or advice for the Leos? Yes, we have the Lovers, the Magician, and the Queen of Pentacles. So it's a time for new beginnings in the relationship out here. And there is a connection, a very, very strong and a passionate connection which has to make a start. With the Queen of Pentacles, everything seems to be abundant and happy and rejoicing. So definitely there is a new start. Wishes are coming true. Things are moving ahead in this connection. So this is the additional message or guidance from the universe which is coming up for the Leos. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.